ChatGPT o1 model now supports image uploads. I'm going to upload 10 challenging images to ChatGPT o1. Let's see what it says. My next photo is something which I come across practically. So this is a menu card from the restaurant called Bangalore Tiffin House, BTH. And I prefer Jain food. So Jain food is a specific type of food wherein it doesn't have onion, garlic, or potatoes and other things like that. And so the first thing I do in most restaurants is that I'll see if Jain option is available. So I'm going to give this to ChatGPT, and I'm going to ask it if it can identify like food which are Jain and also spicy. This is like practically like it kind of it's very useful to me and a lot more other people as well. So let's see. It's not. It's so basically the spicy ones are the ones which have the chilies in here, and the all the orange ones are Jain. So it has to actually think over and get these ones and these ones from the menu card. So I mean, as a human, you can quickly like find these out, pattern these out. Let's see if an AI model, especially ones like O1, is able to like get this and things like that. So let's see, and I think by looking at it, it's not doing the right job. I kind of expected this, but because it's like it's outputting quite a lot of things. Okay, based on the menu image provided, there are two symbols used for each dish: a swastika, which is like Jain-friendly food, and a chili pepper used to indicate the spicy. That is correct. So I'm glad it actually got that. So under the Bangarapet chart section, every listed item appears to have both Jain symbol and the chili symbol next to it. This suggests that all the items in that section are both Jain friendly and spicy. So this is amazing. This is the kind of reasoning I'm looking at. Let's go and verify if this is actually true or not. Because so let's see. Okay, that's where it missed it, right? So it said that under the Bangarpet chart section, so Bangarpet is like a famous area in Bangalore, if I remember correctly. It says so. What? So these are the ones which are spicy, right? Pani puri, Bangarpet pani puri, floating pani puri, and so on. And these are the ones which are Jain. So it caught most of the reasoning right, but what I'm actually expecting it is something which is both Jain and spicy. So these four and this one, right, and the fifth one. So think again. I want both. Let me say I want dishes which are both Jain and spicy, right? So. So let's see if it's able to like just pick those ones. And so I really like the reasoning it's done so far, but unfortunately, it's not getting both the things right. Below is a completed both. Okay, maybe I'm missing. No, the menu list pani puri separately at different places, both with Jain and spicy. So maybe if there's a better way to like mention this, which are both Jain and spicy. Instead of that, I can say like. I'm not able to think about it. At least as of now, I'm not. I think this is not what I expect from it. But maybe I need to improve my prompting also. But let's see. So I would give it like at least half a point because it's still the reasoning what it did was pretty good. So I still like that. But other than that, like it would have been great if it had given both those things. So let's go to the next one.